So guys, this is not actually my regular kind of video, just trying to do something new, just a mini vlog. Okay, so this is a video trying to let you guys see the process I go through making my dress. Okay, this table actually is very nice, does not occupy space. You can clip it on the wall when you want to use it, to just carry it down. I just love the table very well, and for the fact that it's actually very strong. So the first thing I do before I make my dress is actually to draw the dress I want to make, to draft it on a book. Okay, I have to draw it first. That is what I was doing, but working with a toddler is not easy at all. My baby was disturbing a lot. Okay, so after that I have to arrange everything I needed for that dress: the lining, the material, if I need zipper, band, thread, whatever. So I have to arrange everything, and in between also play with my baby because he needs attention. I have a velcro baby. He wants to just be with me all the time. So this is me trying to draft the pattern. Okay, I have to also draft it on a pattern paper before I'll use the pattern paper to cut my dress. I like my dress being very neat. Okay, so after drafting it, the next thing is to cut it. Cut. I think at this point my baby was sleepy. Okay, he was not even sleepy. See him there. He was there, and thank God I have this table. I can just keep him there and continue what I'm doing. So here I'm trying to cut the dress. After drafting on the pattern paper, I have to place it on the material, the lining, and then cut it out before I start to sew, and also make some video for tutorial. So this is me trying to cut. As I was cutting, my baby was dragging the material. It's not easy at all. I don't even have a help. I don't have someone to help me hold the baby. If you walk for 5 minutes, he will start crying. You have to carry him and pet him. He's just so attached. He just wants to be on your body, play with you. You can't even stay away from him. So this is the cutting process of the dress. I have to cut it first, then after cutting, the next thing is to start sewing. Hope you guys will enjoy the vlog. This is actually the first time I'm trying to make a vlog like this, so enjoy yourself. So this was when I was done making the upper part. I've not fixed the sleeve. So now I'm joining the down. I fixed the sleeve here. So I'm joining the down part of it. So. So here I was almost done sewing my Sunday dress, and tada, it came out very well, and It's a very fine dress. I haven't posted the tutorial. I'm going to post the tutorial of the dress very soon. And this is the dress here. I'm trying to fit it and make sure it's fitting very well. Goodbye. See you next time.